welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a high capacity battery for Apple iPhone X or iPhone 10. So got a customer stating that their battery is no longer holding the charge or it dies out fast. So you want to go ahead and purchase the high capacity one that would last longer than the original one. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys. By the way, I purchased this with the tool, so it's about $19.99 plus tax, but free shipping from eBay. So let's go ahead and get on with it. So this is the brand that I installed previously for the Apple iPhone 6s Plus or 6 Plus, both of them actually. So let's go ahead and open this up. It says last longer, charge faster, make charging easier, boost performance of your device. Well, that's correct, because you guys heard about the battery gate back then when Apple slowed down your device when the battery is depleted. And then Apple tried to say that they try to protect the customer. I don't know what's going on with that, but anyway, there was the class action. Sometimes Apple does that, so they make you think your phone is no longer working. So this one's the 3210 milliamp Henry, compatible with this model A1865 and A1901, A1902. So it got here pretty fast. So since they're located at Los Angeles, within California, so they come with this tape. Oh, so the middle one is empty because there's a wireless Qi charging pad. So double-sided is only for this part, and then the 3 down here. So it'll be looking like this. Alright, so when you try to remove the battery, you gotta be careful about the charging pad that's underneath it, or else it's gonna ruin it. And then this is the high capacity battery right here. And it is made in China. Here's a connector, what's it look like. a minute, I forgot to show you guys a tool. Hold on. So this is the tool kit right here. Oh yeah, this is what I need. That's why I bought the tool kit for like a couple $1 extra. I also paid a little bit more so I could get this. Just this alone is gonna cost me $6 or $8. And then there's this suction cup, SIM card removal tool. Got the guitar peg. It's thin on the edge, but thick in the middle. So you can pry out. And this is another prying tool. Yeah. And you got the for this tool. Probably a flathead Phillips Pentalobe screwdriver. And probably the tri-point. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.